Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. Today we are gonna learn about present continuous tense. You, simple and negative sentences. In the previous videos, we have learned all these subjects and their verb ending. Same like in present simple tense, the subjects he formal, they and we mixed gender have the same verb ending. We've also learned a new pronoun for near distance subject. He, she, it, they, this for near distance is yah, but colloquially ye. He, she, it, they, that for far distance वह, but commonly spoken वो. We are going to use ye and wo for our sentences. Types of you in Hindi. In Hindi, we have three types of you. You formal, आप. You informal, तुम. You intimate, singular, tu. Please watch our videos on pronoun or subjects in Hindi to know the differences in detail between formal, informal and intimate you.
You formal for male. आप plus रहे हैं is grammatically correct, but आप plus रहे हो is commonly said.
You formal female. आप plus रही हैं. Grammatically correct, but commonly spoken आप plus रही हो. But you can use रहे हो with both formal female and male. Native speaker do say रहे हैं और रहे हो for female. We are going to use रहे हैं for the sentences as it works for both genders. For the beginners in Hindi, knowing the information about formal you, which is आप, should be enough to start with simple sentences. But if you are at advanced level or want more in-depth information, then you may want to learn about you informal and intimate in detail. You informal for advanced level. You female informal. तुम plus रही हो.
You male informal. तुम plus रहे हो.
You intimate singular for advanced level. You female. तू plus रही है.
You male intimate. तू plus रहा है.
We are going to use आप रहे हैं in the sentences because this is the safest version of the word you, as it's always respectful, works for both genders. You formal sentences. Structure in English. Subject plus are plus verb plus ing plus object. Sentence in English. You are singing Hindi songs. Structure in Hindi. Subject plus object plus verb combining of verb root plus verb ending. Sentence in Hindi. आप हिंदी गाने गा रहे हैं. आप हिंदी गाने गा रहे हैं. Formal you sentences. You are watching Namaste Hindi. आप नमस्ते हिंदी देख रहे हैं.
You are cleaning the car. आप गाड़ी साफ कर रहे हैं.
आप negative sentences. As we have been learning for negative sentences, we simply add the word nahi just before the verb. For examples, you are not watching games. आप खेल नहीं देख रहे हैं. Or you can also say, आप games नहीं देख रहे हैं. You are not going to the park. आप पार्क नहीं जा रहे हैं. You are not doing it. आप ये नहीं कर रहे हैं. Here it is ये.
Question and answer.
सवाल और जवाब.
Try to fill in the question marks on screen to see how much you've learned.
Formal you sentences. You are learning Hindi. आप हिंदी सीख रहे हैं.
You are speaking Punjabi language. आप पंजाबी भाषा बोल रहे हैं.
You are listening to Hindi pop. आप हिंदी पॉप सुन रहे हैं.
Formal you sentences. You are not going. आप नहीं जा रहे हैं.
You are not working. आप काम नहीं कर रहे हैं.
You are not doing homework. आप homework नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Now you try. Leave a comment below if you want me to check your answers or if you have any questions at all.
You are not taking chocolates. To take in Hindi is lena. You are not sleeping. To sleep in Hindi is sona.
Watch our video on verbs to learn new verbs and try to make sentences with those. And that's all the practice for today. Great job!
Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.